iOS 17 is now available as a public beta. It's available for any iPhone from the iPhone XS or iPhone XR and newer. You can download it right now, but remember, it's a beta, so back up everything before installing, and let's begin. iOS 17 brings some exciting changes to home screen widgets. Now, these widgets can contain buttons and interactive elements, allowing you to do even more with these widgets without even opening an app. Plus, when your iPhone is charging and placed horizontally, it enters a new standby mode, where you can see widgets and live activities. It's a handy feature to stay updated with important information at a glance. Instead of needing to say, "Hey, Siri," now you can simply just say, "Siri," to activate it. And the best part is that Siri can answer consecutive questions without needing to be re-invoked each time. It's more convenient and efficient. iOS 17 brings improvements to autocorrect. The keyboard is now powered by a more accurate and personalized model that adapts to your writing style. And it won't autocorrect swear words anymore. Autocorrected words are underlined, and you can easily revert them with a tap. Plus, word predictions are now shown in line and added with a simple tap of the spacebar. iOS 17 introduces contact posters. With this feature, you can customize the appearance of the incoming call screen that other iPhone users see when you call them. You can choose a custom picture or even use your Memoji as a contact photo. And that's not all. You can change the font and color of your name, and additionally, there's a new live voicemail feature on the incoming call screen. It sends the call to voicemail while showing a live transcription of the voicemail on screen, allowing you to decide whether to answer or not. AirDrop gets even better with iOS 17. Now file transfers can continue over the internet if devices become out of reach. And there's a new feature called Name Drop that allows you to exchange customizable contact cards by tapping your iPhone or Apple Watch against another device. It's a convenient way to quickly share your information. The Messages app gets some exciting additions as well. With the new check-in feature, you can notify a contact when you reach your destination safely. It's a great way to keep loved ones updated about your whereabouts. Plus, the Messages app now shows transcript of voice messages, and you can use emojis and photo cutouts as stickers in messages, conversations, and other apps. The Health app now lets you log and label your mood, allowing you to see how it correlates with your various lifestyle factors over time. It's a great way to keep track of your emotional well-being. And to reduce eye strain, iOS 17 introduces a new screen distance feature, which notifies you on your TrueDepth camera iPhone to hold your iPhone further away from your face when it's too close. It's all about taking care of your health. iOS 17 introduces personal voice. It's a fantastic feature that uses machine learning to let users recreate their own voice as a text-to-speech model. This can be a game changer for individuals who have difficulty speaking or have lost their voice. There's so much more to cover, but let's quickly touch on some of the other notable updates. iOS 17 introduces a new app called Journal, which is an end-to-end encrypted journaling app to log your daily activities securely. Journal is coming in an update later on in iOS 17. FaceTime now supports video and audio messages when the recipient is unavailable, and you can now react to FaceTime calls just like in Messages. Apple Music is getting collaborative playlists and cross-fading between songs, making your music listening experience more enjoyable. Apple Maps now supports offline maps and display charging stations for EVs. Safari gets some cool additions too. It now supports profiles, which have their own cookies and extensions. Private browsing can be protected by Face ID, and Safari has built-in text-to-speech functionality. In Notes app, you can now link between notes and view and mark PDFs directly in the app. The Reminders app allows you to organize lists into sections, making it easier to stay organized. The Photos app has some neat features as well. It can show recipes for the food in your photographs, and it supports visual lookup in videos. Additionally, the People section can now recognize and categorize pets. Lastly, iOS 17 introduces support for multiple simultaneous timers in the Clock app, and the ability to share AirTags with up to 5 people in the Find My app. Let me know in the comments which feature you're most excited about in iOS 17. See you guys next time.